I was looking for a beautiful place to visit from Bangkok. Then I found out about Erawan waterfalls. It is a massive waterfall. Some people are saying online that it is the best waterfall in Thailand. I googled it, I talked with the locals, and I tried to gather enough information about this place. Apparently it is located at Kanchanaburi. It is a perfect distance for day trip from Bangkok. I opened up my Google map and found out that Kanchanaburi is also famous for a bridge from World War II. And I am going to cross this bridge while my trip to Erawan Falls. I am standing in front of the beautiful Kwai River of Kanchanaburi, Thailand. I'm going to take a boat to visit the Kanchanaburi bridge. After visiting the bridge, I am going to visit the Erawan waterfalls. It is a massive 7-storied cascading waterfall. It is not very far away from Bangkok, so you can easily arrange a day trip to visit both of these places from Bangkok. Riding boat at Kwai River is an amazing experience. Erawan waterfall is a very beautiful place to visit. Kanchanaburi bridge has a tragic history that makes it very special. More than 100,000 people, 90,000 of them were civilians, had been died during World War II to build this bridge. Although it does not look very special, but this bridge actually had potential to change the outcome of World War II. This bridge could have changed the life of the people in the Indian subcontinent. You have guessed it right. The Axis forces were building bridges like this so that they can send guns, weapons, ammunition to India. And they were very close. Back then, India had enough manpower to change the history of World War II. We are at the Kanchanaburi bridge. This bridge has a history with world wars, and we have seen in the museum how horrible they treated to the prisoners. During that time of history, many of the British, Australian, Dutch and US troops had been captured by Axis forces as prisoners of war. They were forcing these prisoners to construct bridges like this. These prisoners were forced to make bridges so that they can kill their family member. There are more than 60,000 prisoners of war who was involved in construction of this particular bridge. More than 200,000 civilian laborers were pressed into service. 16,000 Allied prisoners and 90,000 forced laborers were killed during this construction. Many people died due to malaria, dysentery, malnutrition, etc. They offered very little amount of food, very little sleep, and little to no medical treatment. They did not even allow to maintain basic hygiene. This bridge is still being used, but for peaceful purpose. I am on my way to visit Erawan waterfalls, but I was super hungry, so I decided to have a quick break and to have my lunch. From outside, this restaurant does not look much, but after getting inside, I realized how beautiful the scenery looks like from this restaurant. I am going to the entrance of Erawan National Park. This place has plenty of room to park cars. Our hike begins from here. As I said before, Erawan waterfall is a 7-layered cascading waterfall. Currently, we are at the first layer of this waterfall. The highest layer of this waterfall is 2.5 kilometers from here. That would make it a 5-kilometer hiking trail. I was talking with the locals. They said that most of the people who come here don't climb the hills and the mountains to go all the way to the topmost part of the waterfalls. Although I'm not much of a climber, but since I'm here, I want to explore all the 7 waterfalls. Shortly you'll be able to figure out how far I could make myself go. Now I'm heading toward the third layer of this waterfall. I believe it is the second layer of this waterfall. I'm heading toward the fourth layer of this waterfall. As a new content creator on YouTube, your like, comment and subscription actually inspires me to reach more people. So please consider liking, commenting and subscribing to this channel. At this point, I started to get a little bit tired. I think you can see a little waterfall over there. Erawan National Park is filled with so many hidden little waterfalls. And it is the fourth layer of this waterfall. Not lucky enough to see waterfall here. It's dry. I mean, the waterfall is dry, but you can see the fish, the pond and whatnot. While visiting Erawan National Park, I have noticed some of the trees are even wearing beautiful, gorgeous dresses. Many Thai people believe that many supernatural beings live in old big trees, so they make offering to these trees. Man, oh man. I am more tired now and I'm questioning my decision to try to go to the seventh layer. Erawan waterfall is the home to more than 120 species of birds. So if you have a binocular, don't forget to bring it in this trip. I just spotted a peaceful Comodo Dragon crossing the road. I was talking with some of the travelers who are coming back from 7th layer. So they say that I still have to go pretty far, but I'm not ready to give up yet. I want to see like what does this road lead to. Let's see. And finally, I'm at the fifth layer of this waterfall. And it is the sixth layer of this waterfall. Cannot believe that I made it to the sixth. And this is a massive tree. It is more than 6 feet wide. At this point I am super tired. My heart is trying to get outside of my body. I don't know how far I will be able to go. It is a classic battle between mind and body. My body wants to go back and my mind wants to go up to the 7th layer. Made it to the top. It's the 7th floor. I did it. I know there are many people who conquers Everest, but for people like me, conquering Erawan Falls is an experience. Thank you so much for watching.